Hi, and welcome. You probably landed here because you're looking to file your franchise tax fee and annual report for your Delaware C Corporation for 2019. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen so you can walk through what I'm seeing. So first thing, launch a new browser. If you're not sure on the website, the easiest thing to do is just pay Delaware franchise tax. Make sure you're clicking on the one that says corp.delaware.gov. You'll see annual report and tax instructions. If you scroll down, you'll see a link where you can click here to pay taxes and file your annual report. Okay, so first things first, you need to search for your business entity name. If you're not sure what your 7-digit business entity file number is, you can search your business by name here. You're going to be redirected to the Division of Corporations name search. One of my clients has graciously allowed me to use their name this year again. So for demonstration purposes, so typing it in here, search your Delaware Corporation name along with the code. And it should pop up with your file number here and your entity name. Make sure it's the right entity name that matches exactly. So once you have the file number, copy it and paste into this box. Again, they want us to type in another code to prove that we are human. So we'll press continue. Here on the next screen, you'll see file annual report for 2019. You can click to open it up to both pay your franchise taxes and to file your annual report. This top portion here is to calculate how much you owe for your franchise tax fee for 2019. I like to think of it more as a tax, or more as a fee than as a tax. So how to calculate is going to be based on likely the assumed par value method if you have roughly 10 million shares authorized. So first, input the number of issued shares your corporation has. You can pull this from your most updated cap table, or if you use an online service like Carta or captable.io, you can enter that number as long as it's the most up to date. So for demonstration purposes, we'll put 7 million here. Once you click out of that, it should pop up here. Okay, gross assets. Get a lot of questions on what this number is. We will Google it real quick. Gross assets, Delaware franchise tax, and search. Corp.delaware.gov, again, gives us some information. If you scroll down a little bit, if you are doing it on the assumed par value capital method, total gross assets shall be those total assets reported on US Form 1120. So what this means is it's similar to a 1040 if you're filing as an individual. Delaware corporations will file a Form 1120. So if you're not sure, or if you haven't filed this year yet, a number from a most recent balance sheet should work as well. And it can be amended later if necessary. Make sure you're talking to your accountant on this. In practice, as long as this number is below 500,000, it's not really going to matter. So we'll put in 400,000 here, and our asset date, we're going to make sure that's as of December 31st, 2019. So click forward. And click on the December 31st date. Then we're going to recalculate our tax. It'll go from this scary number up here to the minimum number it can be if you're calculating it according to the assumed par value method, which is 400 for the 2019 year. The cost of the franchise tax is here, and the annual filing fee is here. So now that we've finished this first portion, the annual report is even easier. So first one, you are going to enter your principal place of business in these fields along with an email address. It's optional, but you need to have your street address. Next, on officer information, you only need to include one officer. So include the person probably who's filling out this form, potentially your CFO or CEO. After that, you'll enter the names and addresses of all of the directors as of the filing date on your report. So there's a good chance to make sure you have who your directors are, the number, and all of their addresses updated. So once you enter in the total number of directors, it'll pop up a screen that shows you how you can enter their name and addresses. After that, it's just authorization. So whoever is filling out this form on the company's behalf will fill in their information and we'll continue with the filing. The next page allows you to pay for your franchise tax and for your annual filing fee. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'm going to sign off. See ya.